Good morning, everyone. We start today's ceremony with a solemn note as the nation mourns the losing of one of its worthiest sons, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, the former president of our country and also a Bharat Ratna recipient. A sign of a great leader is not how many followers you have, but how many leaders you create, as spoken by Mahatma Gandhi. Investiture ceremony is one of the most memorable events of a new academic year. It is here that we entrust faith and hope in our newly appointed school council members. This makes every child to discover the leadership in him or her. When this ceremony takes place in a school, the vested candidates feel a sense of pride in them that they are leaders in making for the future. Good morning, everyone, to this spectacular day. The galaxy of thinkers, honorable guests, dear teachers, respected parents, and beloved students. You may eventually discover the beauty of this marvelous day as the event gradually starts to blossom. This is indeed a historic day for the entire DPS Mysore family, as this day marks the dawn of a new era, where no challenge is big enough to impede the fathomless enthusiasm and immense zest of students and teachers alike. Dear parents, teachers, and to all who are watching us live, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to witness the new prefectorial Board of Leaders swearing in, to promise a bright future for the school during this academic year 2020-21. A very hearty and warm welcome to one and all. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. These were the words of great Martin Luther King. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of night, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us commence this promising day with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
राइट देखा पूजा रूम में दिया दिखा रहे
Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. He is our guiding light. Humility, patience, positivity, and versatility always enthrall us. I take this opportunity to request our beloved principal ma'am, Mrs. Namrata Sharma, the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to formally welcome the gathering.
What is
Good
it?
morning to all present here on this virtual platform. On this momentous occasion of the very first virtual investiture ceremony of Delhi Public School, Mysore, I extend a very hearty welcome to all our well-wishers across the globe who have joined us here. Let me take this opportunity to welcome our revered chief guest, Shri K. Rahman Khan Sir, Chairman KKECT, Pro Vice Chairman DPS Bangalore and Mysore, and former Union Cabinet Minister for Minority Affairs. Welcome, sir. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Maqsood Ali Khan, Secretary KKECT, Member Managing Committee, Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan, Treasurer KKECT, Member Managing Committee, Dr. Masood Ali Khan, Mrs. Shazia Khan, Mrs. Tasbia Khan, Member KKECT, and Mr. Atiq Anwar, CFO KKECT, who have graced us with their presence. We are truly honored. We are delighted to have with us Mrs. Manju Balasubramaniam, Principal DPS Bangalore North, Mrs. Manila Carvalho, Principal DPS Bangalore East, Mrs. Manju Sharma, Principal DPS Bangalore South, and Mrs. Anupma Ramchandra, Principal DPS Electronic City, Principal of School of India, Vice Principals, Headmistresses, Coordinators, and staff of all our sister concerns. We're extremely glad to have you all with us. I extend a gracious welcome to the parents and grandparents of the students. Continuous support and encouragement is a source of inspiration and guidance for all of us here. I also take this opportunity to welcome
Teacher.
sorry, all our viewers across the globe who are watching us live and sending their wishes to all of us here.
That is the only school Mr. Maqsood built with
World
about
is going through transformation. We
बाकी
have
सब बढ़ते गए.
challenges which were never heard of. In these unprecedented times, we have learned that teamwork, collaboration, and determination can see us through any dark times. My heart swells with pride when I see how students and teachers alike have embraced technology and have become self-learners. This challenge has not dampened their spirits. As they say, amidst hardships lie opportunities. These young leaders are taking on their responsibilities in a completely different environment. They would all be operating and functioning virtually and still be a source of motivation and guidance to their fellow students. And I'm quite certain of the fact that they would emerge certain, resolute, and steadfast as their mettle will be tested in very unique ways. They would have to be very innovative, as innovation is going to be the key to success. Taking our learnings from the yesteryears and transforming and adapting them to the present times will ensure our continuous growth and improvement in all spheres. This is also the era for tremendous self-growth. Never before we were required to be abreast with technology, be synchronized with the rhythm of the ever-changing world canvas, and be unconventional. This is the need of the hour, and my dear students, we shall collectively heed to the need. We have before us the 17 members of the Student Council who will be formally invested into office on this momentous day. Donning the mantle of responsibility, they all pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities. They will go down the pages of history for being the first ever student council who were pledged amidst these unprecedented times. They are here to sculpt a beautiful tomorrow. Finally, I'd like to finish by saying to each and every student, trust yourself to be leaders in your own ways, in taking initiative, in touching lives, in spreading cheer, in uplifting spirits, in being innovative, in instilling hope, in believing in yourself. Nurture the leader in yourself and be a confident leader for tomorrow, as tomorrow awaits you with open arms. My heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to every member of the Student Council. Thank you and God bless you all, my dear children.
Thank you, ma'am, for extending such a warm welcome and the extremely motivating words. We are extremely honored to have amidst us our distinguished chief guest, Shri K. Rahman Khan sir, a visionary leader and educationist who inspires young people with his simple, exemplary lifestyle and is a person par excellence. We request you, sir, to address the concourse.
Good morning, Mrs. Namrata Sharma, Principal DPS Mysore, members of the Managing Committee, principals of our sister institutions, members of the school, academic staff of the DPS Mysore, newly inducted office bearers of the Student Council of DPS Mysore, parents and grandparents, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Let me first congratulate all the office bearers of the DPS Mysore Student Council who are assuming their office today at a very different. Now they are assuming their office on a virtual platform. This is a unique occasion to celebrate also that how technology has changed our lives because of the COVID, and we should, though we are not going to welcome COVID, but COVID has created many opportunities for us to live with it. Ladies and gentlemen, the leadership is very important in life, and a leader is required in every society. Leader does not mean that he is a political leader, because leadership is the quality which we have to inculcate. School education is not only studying your academic syllabus and preparing for your exams. School education is a total and complete education. You will learn, apart from your academic studies, you will learn every aspect of life. How you have to behave, how you should develop good environment, how you have to develop camaraderie, how you should help each other, how you should develop humility. All these things are learned during the school life. After, once you leave the school life, you will not be taught all this, because you will be busy in your own persuasion of your own choice of education. So make use of the school life to the best of your ability to build your total personality. School creates a total personality, not just your syllabus oriented personality. So a total personality means you should cultivate every aspect of life which you will face in future. So leaders are required in every walks of life. Whether if you are a family, your father is a leader of your house. A school, your principal is a leader of the house, his institution who leads it. Similarly, in society, in different walks of activities, you need leaders. Similarly, you need political leaders. So school, it is school here which we create leadership quality, identify leaders. What some of you who are going to be take office, or you have been identified with your caliber, your approach, your positiveness. All this help you to identify to become leaders. Now, your performance of your responsibility will reveal how much you have developed your leadership quality. So, young members of the student council, please be positive. Always think positive. Don't think negative. Positive in the sense, I am not saying about corona positive or corona negative. It is positive in life. The characteristic which you have developed or should develop always a positiveness. and that is the major quality of a leader. He should have to take everybody together. He should understand all the people whom he is leading, their thinking, their working. You should be kind to them. You should be humble to them. You should understand them. All this requires a leader quality. If a leader requires all these qualities, I'm sure in your tenure of 2021, you will exhibit the excellence which you have in in yourself to develop this leadership quality and exhibit it. I wish you all the best, and best of luck for your future examination and also the virtual classes which you are undertaking. May God help you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring message. We would definitely strive to realize your thoughts into action. I now request Mr. Maqsood sir, Secretary KKECT, to address the gathering and share the pearls of wisdom.
Good morning, everyone. As everybody has heard our chairman speak, he has concised everything and told every one of us what we have to do and how we should be, what a leader is, and every aspect he has covered. I would not like to take a lot of time of you, but I would like to congratulate each one of you and appreciate the hard work being done by your teachers and everybody for this situation what we are going through. The virtual classrooms were not an easy task. It was your teachers, your principal, and everybody who has taken this onus on them that they continue this academic portions, everything, so that you all are. Now it is for you, the student council, to get in touch with all your peers and make sure that they also understand. And I'm sure that very soon the schools will open. We will have your physical presence in school, but till then we have to be very careful and be vigilant towards others also. It's not only about ourselves, it is about others also and how we contribute to the society. I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. These were inspiring words, and definitely all the students will heed to these words. True leaders always practice the 3 R's: respect for self, respect for others, and responsibility for all their actions. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. He or she does not set out to be a leader, but becomes one by the equality of his actions and the integrity of his intent. I now request Mr. Mansoor sir to please address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chairman sir, respected Secretary, Principal of DPS Mysore, Mrs. Namrata, and the other principals and students and parents also in this forum. So first of all, let me congratulate you for your investiture ceremony, and you all have taken over charge of the student council at one of the most unprecedented times in history. So the last, this sort of a pandemic happened 100 years back, and now it's happened. So as all tough situations throw up people with strong character, moral, and attitude. And I'm sure this student council of DPS Mysore has got it all to handle this tough situation. And usually tough situations throw up leaders. And I'm sure a few of you or most of you would grow up to be great leaders for the future of the country and the world. And I'm sure with the online platform in place and most of the things happening online, the student council also will get involved with the online system of the school until the schools physically open. Try to reach out to the other students, teachers, and try to keep the school vibrant through your online community. So because these are tough times, restricted times for the children, and as beautiful as city Mysore is, and as beautiful a school as we have in Mysore, I'm sure you all will live up to the capability of making the school interesting online as well. So let it be a quiz program or student quiz program or some sports activity. I want the school captain and the games captain, house captains, and all the office bearers to get together and try to make the best use of the online platform. And I'm sure your principal and teachers also will help you in that. So not taking too much of your time, I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure you will all come out with the flying colors this year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those pearls of wisdom. We are delighted to share with you that our students have shown great zeal, even in the face of these testing times, in contesting for the various posts of the Student Council. The council members are all achievers in their own ways, embodying a melange of exemplary qualities. It is our way of telling the students that they are the torch bearers and the role models for all to emulate. With their commendable disposition and performance, we are indeed proud to present the chosen ones before you. We now introduce the school committee members, the school council. Introducing Tarush Rai as the school head boy for the year 2020-21. Tarush is a highly disciplined and organized meritorious student who leads with example. He has a steely determination which gets displayed in all the activities that he undertakes. A versatile sportsperson who has won various accolades in football, badminton, and other games and has brought laurels to the school. Besides sports, Tarush has also represented the school at other platforms, namely International Olympiad, quiz competitions. He aspires to be an aeronautical engineer and do his nation proud. Head girl, Sayyida Rehab Jamil. Talented and confident, a commendable orator and a determined young and energetic student. Rehab is a medical aspirant and devotes herself wholeheartedly at any task at hand. She presents a compassionate, friendly, and kind persona with which she is hugely popular amongst the students. Nakul Sai, the wise head boy, is a relentless, innovative, brilliant speaker. He has been regularly participating in debates and extempore speeches where he voices his opinions on various current topics. He is a trained swimmer and an accomplished guitarist and finds pleasure in singing too. The wise head girl, Anjali Krishnan, is a dynamic, truly outstanding, meritorious all-rounder. She is an active participant and winner of various extempore recitations and MAN platforms. She also excels in painting, playing guitar, sports, namely basketball, table tennis, athletics, and has won many laurels for her alma mater in the same. She exhibits all the qualities of a leader with her never say die spirit. President, Sports and Wellness. Focused, determined, multi-talented, charismatic are few of the words that describe Sauryansh Pratap Singh of class 12. He is a grade A+ martial artist with a black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. He has also represented his school in basketball, shot put, and athletic events. Also, a marathon runner for which he stood first. To add charm to the sports caliber, he also is an excellent orator and frequently is called upon to participate in debating, extempore, and quiz competitions. He aspires to become an army officer and don the maroon beret of the Indian Para Special Forces. President, Environment and Social Responsibility, Afnan Kazi, a true leader who inspires others with his words and actions alike. Owing to his excellent linguistic skills, he has also been the student representative in the editorial board of the school magazine. His deep passion towards the environmental issues which face the present world help him to take part and motivate others towards conserving the Mother Earth. President, Information Technology, Sulaksh Patnaik. Sulaksh has been a consistent, meritorious, and disciplined young aviation aspirant who enthusiastically participates in all the school activities. With a sound knowledge and inherent aptitude in technology and computers, he has the potential to lead the technical team of the Students' Council and open new vistas and avenues for the young generation. He devotes himself wholeheartedly towards gathering further competence and knowledge in all the academic and co-curricular activities. Cultural Captain Tanya Kumar is an extremely versatile, confident, and enthusiastic student. She signifies optimism and dedication. She has been appreciated for her oratory, debating skills at various platforms, an accomplished guitarist who actively participates in singing and skits and various inter-school cultural activities. She has won many accolades for her academic excellence too. NCC Captain Ojas Janardhan, a resolute, earnest, and diligent NCC cadet, exhibiting all the virtues of a great leader in making. He is a highly disciplined young cadet who has imbibed the NCC's motto, unity and discipline, in both words and spirit. Ojas has been a state-level swimming competitor, basketball player in the cluster meet, and under the Fit India campaign, has trekked to many nearby destinations. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, now we present before you the house captains. Kaveri House Captain Abhyudaya Akasi, commendable orator, confident and determined. Abhyudaya has represented the school at various occasions like MAN, Spell Bee competitions, international Olympiads. He was also a member of school swimming team. He is proud to be an active NCC cadet and aspires to keep the school flag flying high. Kaveri House Captain Laya Vishwanath, well organized, helpful, honest, and dedicated are the words that best describe Laya Vishwanath of class 10. Laya has been an outstanding student, having won many accolades for academics, spell bee contests, and oratory skills. She infuses positivity and enthusiasm amongst her fellow students with her cheerfulness and helpful nature. Ganga House Captain Zuha Fatima, an excellent orator, meritorious and sincere. Zuha has taken pride in representing her class and school at numerous venues like MAN, Spell Bee, anchoring the school annual function, etc. She believes in hard work, self-improvement, and collaborative teamwork. Under her leadership, Ganga House is sure to excel leaps and bounds. Ganga House Captain V. Shivani, a brilliant student with deep values of team spirit and compassion. Shivani has excelled in the field of academics to sports and co-curricular activities alike. She has been appreciated for her active participation in the Model United Nations program, Olympiad competitions, in which she also won a gold medal in general knowledge and sciences category. Godavari House Captain Surya Karthik Siriam. Surya Karthik is a remarkable student with varied interests ranging from essay writing, Sudoku, IT, and general knowledge competitions to playing basketball and football. He has been a consistent, meritorious student who believes in teamwork, sincerity of efforts, and hard work. Godavari House Captain Sneha, talented and confident. Sneha of class 10 takes up each challenge with a smile and positive attitude. She is an avid sports person who has participated in athletics and shot put and won various medals. She is also passionate about working towards the prevalent social issues and the role the young generation can play in making a contributory change in the society. Narmada House Captain V. Siddharth, meritorious, versatile, creative, goal seeker, having excellent debating skills. Siddharth of class 10 is a multi-talented student having excelled in both academic and co-curricular domains. He is a proud winner of ISKCON Heritage Essay Competition, football player in the cluster meet held last year, and an active participant of MAN. Narmada House Captain Rushika, a confident all-rounder and enthusiastic sportsperson. Rushika of Class 10 has been an active participant in all the school activities. She takes pride in being able to inspire and motivate her fellow students to take up all new challenges. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome our new office bearers with their synchronized march past with the band. That indeed was impressive. Dear students, you're called to be a leader and be a model to your fellow friends. You have a greater responsibility to make your leadership to be more effective. On this gracious moment, in the presence of all gathered here, the newly appointed leaders will accept the duties, responsibilities, and authority conferred upon them with the oath that they would be taking now. I now request our beloved Principal Ma'am to administer the oath.
I,
Tarush Rai, head boy.
Saida Rihab Jamil, head girl.
Nakul Sai, vice head boy.
Anjali Krishnan, vice head girl.
Aryansh Pratap Singh, President Sports and Wellness.
Syed Afnan Khazi, President Environmental and Social Responsibility.
Suraksh Patnaik, President Information Technology.
Tanya Kumar, Cultural Captain.
OHS Janardhan, NCC Captain.
Vishwanath Kaveri, House Captain.
Zuha Fatima Kanga, House Captain.
Surya K. Sriram Godavari, House Captain.
Neha C. Godavari, House Captain.
V. Siddharth, Narmada House Captain.
Rishyaka P. Narmada, House Captain.
Do hereby
Do hereby
Solemnly pledge
solemnly pledge
full loyalty
to
to uphold loyalty
to the traditions
to
to the traditions
and ethos of the school.
and ethos of the school.
Ethos of the school.
We promise to be
We promise
To be
worthy torchbearers of our school
worthy
worthy
torchbearers
torchbearers
of
of
our
our
school
Bearers of our school.
by adhering
by
by
adhering
adhering
to the values of honesty,
to the
to the
values
values of honesty,
The values of honesty,
perseverance,
perseverance,
teamwork,
work,
and service before self.
and
service
before self.
We will do our best
we
We will do our best
to do our best
to carry out
to
to
carry
carry out
all the
Carry out
entrusted to us
all the
the
duties entrusted to us,
to us
so that
so that
that
we may keep the flag of the school
we may keep
keep the flag of the school
flying high.
flying
high.
flying
Fine high.
flying.
flying high.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, children. The challenge of leadership is to be strong but not rude, be kind but not weak, be bold but not bully, be thoughtful but not lazy, be humble but not timid, be proud but not arrogant, have humor but without folly, as spoken by Jim Rohn. So now we call upon Tarush Rai, the school head boy, to deliver the acceptance speech and formally accept the duties conferred upon him.
A warm greeting to the members of the management board, respected principal ma'am, teachers, friends, classmates, and my fellow students. I express my emotions and my gratitude for the opportunity I have received to be the head boy of the school, along with being a part of the first batch of class 12 of Delhi Public School, Mysore. I firstly thank the management and our respected principal ma'am, Ms. Namrata Sharma, for entrusting me with such an honored appointment. Also, I extend my sincere thanks to our subject teachers and all the other teachers who have filled me with positivity and have always guided and supported me. I thank all my fellow students who have put their faith by electing me. I am grateful to my parents who have always given me hopes even in the most difficult situations. I congratulate the other elected members, the head girl, vice head boy, vice head girl, IT president, sports president, environment and social responsibility president, cultural captain, and all the house captains. I look forward to working with you all and taking the school's name to even greater heights. The welfare and uninterrupted growth of all the students and school together will remain as our guiding vision. Excellence implies constant upgradation and accepting new challenges with open arms. So we all solemnly pledge that we will not rest on our past laurels and continue with the furtherance of school's motto, service before self. This year will no doubt be a challenging year for us amidst this pandemic, but amidst hardships lie opportunities. I have immense faith and trust that collectively we shall turn this unprecedented catastrophe into a refined learning opportunity where each student comes out as a true seeker of knowledge. I'd like to conclude with the famous lines. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Thank you all for your attention and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Tarush. Those were indeed confident words. We now call upon school head girl Sayyada Rehat to deliver the acceptance speech.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Today, I, Saida Rihab Jamil, am standing here as the head girl for this prestigious institution. Firstly, I would like to thank the management staff who thought me capable of taking up this opportunity. It is a matter of great distinction to be humbled by the faith reposed by you all in me as the head girl of such an eminent school. Besides, we are a strong grade, blessed with our own remarkable talents. For me, it is important to acknowledge that our success lies in drawing from each other's strengths rather than overcoming challenges alone. For me, being the head girl is not about the position or the title, but it is about action and example which can make a difference. I stand here as a leader not just to lead you, but to work in collaboration with each one of you to achieve the best for our school. Most of all, enjoy every moment and smile. Be kind, be brave, and be confident. Let's take our school to greater heights of success. We will travel this road together in unison. Thank you.
Thank you, Reha, for such invigorating words. With immense joy and gratification, DPS Mysore takes pride in announcing that the school has achieved a centum result for the Grade 10 CBSE 2019-20. We are delighted to share with you the exemplary performance of our students. The names of the position holders in Grade 10 CBSE 2019-20 are Jessica, an extremely passionate all-rounder. With her indomitable willpower and vibrant virtues, is the holder of the first position with an aggregate of 97%. She has scored a perfect centum in social sciences and information technology. Safa Reen has bagged the second position with 95.2% through her perseverance, determination, and hard work. Safa has also scored 100% in information technology. Aditi P, a talented, meritorious student with an aggregate of 94.8%, is at third position, along with again 100 perfect in information technology. Manasi S is at fourth position with 93.4%. She is an extremely fervent and lively student. Srujan, a keen observer, fast learner with indomitable spirit, is at fifth place with 90.4%. And last but not the least, Alicia stands at sixth place with 90.2%. She has proved with her grit, determination, and hard work that no challenge can dampen her spirits. We are extremely proud of these young achievers and wish them the very best in all their future endeavors. Thanks as a word is so small, yet it speaks volumes and volumes of the hidden sentiments of gratitude within the heart. I, on behalf of Delhi Public School, Mysore, and the entire fraternity of the institution, thank you all for gracing this momentous occasion. I also wish to express my gratitude to Dr. Rahman Khan sir for sparing his valuable time and providing encouragement to the students with his words of motivation and commitment. Thank you so much, sir. Our heartfelt gratitude to respected Aisha ma'am, Maqsood sir, Mansoor sir, Dr. Masood sir, Shazia ma'am, Tasbia ma'am, Atiq sir, and all the dignitaries for your messages to our student council on being a leader and holding a post that will make our student council to take responsibility seriously and in building a stance of unremitting, relentless faith in them, not just to succeed in terms of personal development, but also to lead by example that takes courage and strength of spirit. Our deepest appreciation to the principals, vice principals, headmistresses, coordinators, and staff of all our sister concerns. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires extensive planning and a bird's eye for details. We decided to make a headway and set the ball rolling and are fortunate enough to be backed and motivated by our dear principal, Mrs. Namrata Sharma. Thank you, ma'am, for your continuous support and guidance. Our gratitude to our admin manager, Mr. Kalimullah, who is the driving force behind the technical team to amalgamate this program. Thank you, sir, for showing us how unusual circumstances can provide an opportunity to creativity and innovation. We are also obligated to the parents who have been exceptionally supportive to make this program a successful one. I cannot thank the teachers enough for their involvement and willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. And finally, a word for the Student Council. As a famous quote goes, everything you ever want in your life is just outside your comfort zone. Confidence is throwing your heart against every brick wall, and I'm sure you all will carry yourself with grace through each brick wall and uphold the fine traditions of the DPS family. Wishing you good luck for an enriching and eventful academic year. Thank you all.
Thank you.
With this, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of today's virtual investiture ceremony. Dear viewers, let us now rise for our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, viewers. Wishing you all a wonderful day ahead. Jai Hind.